2022 Christmas party, holiday party. Give you a little little walk around, little tour of what we've got going on here. We've been coming to this place for a few years for our parties now. Got this beautiful dining hall in here, all set up. Bella and Delaney playing a game. The big commercial kitchen. Chef Lisa in here making things happen. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Hi, ladies. Everything's all decorated. We're going to be selling raffle tickets starting at 4 o'clock right here. I think I'm going to set Jim up at the bar. Be able to put up raffle tickets there. We will have a table right here in this area for our Yankee swap prizes. All kinds of free swag right here. It's all donated, but it's all, free stuff. And here is our amazing raffle spread. We've got a bunch of gift baskets for different occasions. And all of this stuff was donated to our raffle. We got tire pressure gauges, some fire extinguisher brackets. We got a bunch of gift cards, so we're gonna be giving away a bunch of gift cards here. And these are the big prizes. Donated by the club, Viair air compressor kit. Warren donated us a winch accessory kit. You see that there. Barb Pritchard has been knitting this beautiful crochet blanket, which is not quite done yet, but she wanted to bring it to display it, and we will be raffling this off too, so some lucky winner will not take this home, but they'll get it eventually, another month or so. And we've also got a winch coming. So bringing back the raffle, and we've got a ton of beautiful raffle prizes. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with this. And of course, all the food is catered. We'll be putting that out here. Thanks to Jim Steele, offered to pick up all the food for us. So that'll be up here a little bit later, and we'll spread that all out here. We'll get back to you with more later. Ren's coming up this new cut here in Colebrook. It's a nice little climb, full of rocks. Ren, back up, and then as you come forward, go hard passenger. Back up a little more. Right there. Now come passenger as you come forward.
Does he need a real Jeep to show him how to do it?
There you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. A little momentum.
These are slippery rocks.
You got to have a little momentum on this. Right there. Forward.
I think one of the key parts of this.
Dug out where all the rocks were piled up. Now it's
right.
pumpkin is hitting that big rock in the middle.
Yeah,
so
really different.
Back up, driver, back up. Passenger, back up, sorry. Passenger!
You forgot the passenger button.
You got it now, though. You just got to bump it. Stop.
One little bump.
Back up a foot and try to bump it now, because you're further over now. Stop.
If it's still going to hit.
And give it a bump now. For the passenger side.
give her hell, Ren.
What makes you think it's loose? What makes you think it's loose? Just because.
Tim. Richard had to back up. His front locker wasn't working. Tim, he just makes everything look so goddamn easy.
Something about those 40-inch tires help it though, Ron.
It doesn't hurt.
He cleared that big rock like nothing. Trouble getting up on another video. We just came up at a bunch of us, so we thought we just might as well drive down. We gotta wait anyway for people to get moving, so just take our time and get here.
This is the big rock here.
I think we're just gonna go straight off this thing versus worry about heading to the side. Missing you, Rick, today. Say hi, Mary.
Hey, Rick.
Been stuck in a little spot here. I guess Bill was hung up. He tore off one of his rear shock mounts. We don't know if the bolt came out or what, but so we're kind of making our way up through here.